As an alternative to static content, you can enable users to customize their content at runtime and make pages more useful and interactive. In WebFOCUS Designer, drag an empty panel or a content item to the canvas. With a container selected, go to the Properties panel and disable the Lock Container option. Notice that the Add Content button now displays in the middle of the panel. The content item looks the same, but the customization option is added to its options at runtime. If you want to direct your selection to a specific area in the repository, customize the path property to point to a domain or folder. You can even limit your selection to this area if you keep the Lock Path option selected. The Flattened List option is there to hide the folder hierarchy inside the selection area and only display items. The Hide Tags option hides all tags from your selection area. You can also configure the Initial View option and choose between Grid and List. Users will be able to change the view at runtime inside the Select Item dialog box. Let's test the behavior in a portal. If the container is empty, click the Add Content button to add content to the panel. If the container has content already, click the Options menu and then click Replace. In the Select Item dialog box, navigate to the item you want to display. If the Lock Path option is disabled, you can navigate between domains using the breadcrumb trail. If the Flatten List option is disabled, you can navigate between the folders within the selection area hierarchy. You can also use the search function, toggle between the grid and list views, and refresh your selection area. Select an item and click Add. The item displays inside the panel. To replace it, go to Options and click Replace, or click Remove to remove the content from the panel. Keep in mind that runtime changes are only remembered if the page resides inside a portal. Changes made to a standalone page will disappear when you close it. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.